Welcome back to the series where I cover every single reason the Apple Business Manager and Intune sync can fail. If you have been following along, by now you have watched the previous videos, identified the root cause of your sync failure, and you are ready to fix it by re-uploading the token. So you go into Apple Business Manager, download a fresh token, head over to Intune to upload it, and you get hit with this error, DEP Token Decryption Failed. This can happen if the wrong token is updated. You did everything right, you followed all the steps, and yet you are still getting this error every single time. So what is going on? Let me explain. If you remember back when you first created a connection between Intune and Apple Business Manager, one of the steps involved downloading an Intune public key certificate. That public key certificate was then uploaded into Apple Business Manager when creating the token, and the token downloaded from ABM was then uploaded back into Intune. This creates a matched pair. Intune uses that public key to encrypt and verify everything, and every time a token is uploaded, Intune checks that everything matches. If it does not match, you get the DEP Token Decryption Failed error. So how does the mismatch happen in the first place? There are two possible causes. First, someone accidentally changed the public key certificate in Apple Business Manager under that token. The frustrating part is that ABM gives you no indication that the public key was ever changed. Second, someone changed the public key on the Intune side, and similarly, the Intune does not show you the current public key or any history of previous public keys either. So the error message from Intune is really your only source of truth telling you something does not match. Now here's how to fix it. What you need to do is get a fresh Intune public key, upload it into the existing token in Apple Business Manager, download the token again from ABM, and then upload that token back into Intune. The challenge is that the Intune user interface does not give you a button to download the public key for an already existing token. However, Intune does expose a Graph API called Get Encryption Public Key and will generate a fresh Intune public key for a particular token. Run that graph call for your token and save that public key as PEM file. Go into Apple Business Manager, open the existing token, and upload this fresh public key there. Then download the token again from ABM and upload it into Intune. And just like that, the sync runs again. If this helped you get past the DEP Token Decryption Failed error and finally get your sync working, drop a like. It really helps the channel, and subscribe so you do not miss the next reason in the series. I will see you in the next one.